Family house, night. Inside a dimly lit African village hut, family seated around a low wooden table, everyone tense. The elder unfolds a paper slowly. Silence fills the room, all eyes on him. Elder reading. These are my last words, my children must remain together. All that I leave behind must be used for them. Food, clothes, and schooling. Family shocked, some covering mouths in disbelief. Mbisa closes his eyes with relief.
Family house, continues Quasi. The sister of deceased rises angrily, pointing her finger at Mbisa, her brother, her face twisted with rage.
Quasi shouting, "Lies, that is not Vuma's writing. You always stand against me." Mbisa firmly standing. Quasi, stop this. These are my sister's words. She wanted her children cared for, that not for us to fight over her belongings. Family crawl. Later, Mbisa leaves the hut looking broken, sits under a tree near the cattle kraal. Nyosi, his wife, follows and sits beside him. Nyosi softly. Mbisa, you did well. But Quasi is dangerous. I fear what she might do. Mbisa, eyes wet. I know, Nyosi. I saw it in her eyes. She will never stop. The children are in danger. Quasi's house. Night inside a village hut lit by a small fire. Quasi paces angrily while Zanelli sits quietly watching. Quasi, low voice, furious. They want to take everything from me, but I will not lose. If the family blocks me, I'll find another way. Zanella nervously. Careful, Quasi. The truth always comes out. Quasi, eyes burning, whispering. Let it come. If anyone stands in my way, they'll suffer. Quasi's shadow against the wall looks menacing. Zanelle looks worried. Quasi's house. Same time. Zanelli whispers to Quasi while handing her a small pouch, suggesting poison. Zanelle, I still have the medicine if you want it, Quasi, hissing. Silence, Zanelle. Don't speak such words here. She peeks outside cautiously, then slams the door shut. Unknown to them, Nyosi is hiding nearby, overhearing everything with a shocked face. Wide shot of the dark African village night. Huts under the moonlight. Dear listener, join us in episode 4. The storm is growing stronger. Secrets are no longer safe. Will jealousy destroy the family? To be continued. YOMELWA, MBANI, INTANDANE.